Let's create it in Filmora application. Begin by taking a screenshot of your videos folder from the phone gallery. Now start the screen recording application and crop your screenshot like this. Now come to Filmora application. Add one beat at the note changes. Delete the excess part of the recording. Align video and music. Now change the speed of the video and bring it till the beat you added earlier in the music. Just like this. After the beat, add the exact video you selected on the screenshot. Don't forget to crop its ratio to 9:16. That's it. If you liked my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.